So today's eye look is brought to you proudly by theBalm Nude Eyeshadow Palette in the shade of Volume 3, and Lips is proudly presented to you by Colourpop in the shade Tulle. So the first thing that you want to do whenever you do a colourful or bold eye colour and you want your colours to stand out, you should set your eyelids. Today I use the Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base. I don't know if there's a specific shade because there's nothing written on the tube. So I put this all over my eyelids and just blended it out. And now I'm gonna use this palette and I'm gonna grab the shade Brilliant. So there's quite a bit of kickback, but I don't really care. But look, when I tap it off, woo! Okay, let's set the eyelids. Okay, this is a concealer brush from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It was my mother's and I just took it from her because she doesn't use it. But I like using this as a crease brush. I'm gonna grab the shade Bright and I'm gonna put this all over my crease. There. I'm just gonna put this shade. This is Babe and I'm putting it on as a highlight. This is a no brand brush, basically like a papered brush. I'm gonna use Brazen, which is this dark chocolatey brown. Then with whatever is left on your brush, look down, hold the brush at the very tip and gently just swipe it across your crease. Very, very gently, make sure there is very little product on your brush. And just repeat that on the other side. And then I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to pick up the shade Brave, which is a purpley glitter shade, and I'm gonna put this right on top of the dark brown. I'm not gonna go into the crease. Done. I'm just gonna grab a flat brush and I am going to get the shade Bootylicious. Okay, gonna take the shade Brainiac, which is this beautiful red color, and I'm gonna put this right on the center of my eyelids. Okay, I'm gonna darken it up with the purple shade, which is Brave. Gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna intensify the red again just because I feel like it faded. Okay, I'm gonna finish off my face and I will be right back. look that I have for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!